Today, my topic is trigonometry. Trigonometry is the study of relationship between the sides and the angles of triangle. And my first topic is trigonometrical ratios. Let us consider a right angle triangle ABC. Angle B is equals to 90 degree and angle C is equals to theta. So the side which is opposite to 90 degree is known as a hypotenuse, which is represented by H, and the side which is opposite to an angle is known as a perpendicular, and the side where two angles are rest is known as a base. Listen carefully. Side opposite to 90 degree is a hypotenuse. Side opposite to a given angle is equals to perpendicular. Other side is the base. Let me give you another example also. Right angle triangle ABC, where angle B is equals to 90 degree and angle A is equals to theta. Side opposite to 90 degree is a hypotenuse. Side opposite to a given angle is a perpendicular, and other angle is and the other angle and the other side is known as a base. We know that sine theta is equal to perpendicular divided by hypotenuse, P by H, or you can say P is to H. So it's a ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse is your sine theta. Now cos theta is the ratio of base and hypotenuse, whereas tan theta is the ratio of perpendicular and base. It's very easy to remember like this. Some people have curly brown hair turns permanently black. Some people have curly brown hair turns permanently black. Now we have cot theta also. Cot theta is the ratio of base by perpendicular. That means cos theta. That means cot theta is a reciprocal of tan theta. Similarly, sec theta is the ratio of hypotenuse and a base, which is a reciprocal of cos theta, whereas cosec theta is the reciprocal of hypotenuse and perpendicular, which is the reciprocal of sine theta. So how to remember sine theta, cos theta and tan theta? Some people have curly brown hair turns permanently black. Reciprocal of tan theta is a cot theta. If tan theta is P by B, then cot theta is equals to B by B. Cos theta is equals to base by hypotenuse, so sec theta is equals to hypotenuse by base. Sin theta is equals to perpendicular by hypotenuse, so cosec theta is equals to hypotenuse and perpendicular. Next, a reciprocal relation. Sin theta is equals to perpendicular by hypotenuse, and reciprocal of sin theta is cosec theta, which is hypotenuse by perpendicular. With this relation, we can write sin theta is equals to 1 by cosec theta, which can be written as cosec theta is equals to 1 by sin theta, or multiplication of sin theta and cos theta is equals to 1. Similarly, cos theta is equals to base by hypotenuse, and reciprocal of cos is sec theta, which is hypotenuse by base. So from here we can write that cos theta is equals to 1 by sec theta, or sec theta is equals to 1 by cos theta, or cos theta sec theta is equals to 1. Now tan theta is equals to perpendicular by base, and cot theta is equals to base by perpendicular. So tan theta is equals to 1 by cot theta, or cot theta is equals to 1 by tan theta, or tan theta cot theta is equals to 1. So these are a reciprocal relations between sine, cosec, cos, sec, tan and cot. Now next is the square relations. We have 6 trigonometrical ratio: sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. So sine theta and cos theta is related by square relation like this: sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So from here sine square theta is equals to 1 when plus cosec square theta will come this side, it's a minus cosec square theta. Or from here we can write cosec square theta is equals to 1 minus sine square theta. Next square relation is cot theta and cosec theta. It's easy to remember: C for cot, C for cosec. So C to C relation. If you are confused, then remember that C to C relation, cot theta and cosec theta, it's related like this: 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta. So from here 1 is equals to cosec square theta when plus cot square theta comes this side is a minus cot square theta. Or cotec square theta can be written as cosec square theta minus 1. Now last relation we have tan theta and sec theta. So 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta. So 1 is equals to sec square theta when plus tan square theta comes this side is a minus tan square theta, or tan square theta is equals to sec square theta minus 1. So now let's start a problem. My first problem is: from the adjoining figure, find the value of number 1 cot square x minus cosec square x, sum number 2 tan square x minus 1 by cos square x. So from figure, value of AD is 4 cm, value of BD is 3 cm, and value of AC is equals to 12 cm. So now let us consider a triangle A, B and D. So in triangle A, B and D, by Pythagoras theorem, which says that hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Here hypotenuse is AB square, perpendicular is AD and base is BD. Hypotenuse opposite of 90 degree. Perpendicular is opposite to an angle. So AB square is equals to 4 square because AD is 4 and BD is 3 square because BD is equals to 3 cm. Now AB square is equals to square of 4 is 16 plus square of 3 is 9. So AB square is equals to 16 plus 9 is 25. Therefore, AB is equals to 5 centimeter. That means we got AB is equals to 5 centimeter. Next, let us consider another right angle triangle ACD. Again, using a Pythagoras theorem, AC is the hypotenuse opposite of 90 degree, AD is a perpendicular opposite to the angle Y. So, AC square is equals to AD square plus CD square. Value of AC is 12, so 12 square is equals to AD is 4, 4 square plus CD square. Square of 12 is 144, which is equal to square of 4 is 16 plus CD square. So 144 when plus 16 goes this side is a minus 16 is equals to CD square. 144 minus 16 is equals to 128 is equals to CD square. Therefore, CD is equals to 8 square root of 2. First, I need to find a value of cot square x minus cosec square x. That is, cot theta is equals to base by perpendicular and cosec theta is equals to hypotenuse divided by perpendicular. So, in a triangle ABD, our base is BD and perpendicular is AD and hypotenuse is equals to AB. So base is equals to BD divided by perpendicular is equals to AD. So cot square x can be written as BD divided by AD square minus cosec square x can be written as hypotenuse by perpendicular. Hypotenuse here is AB divided by AD. Now BD is equals to 3 divided by AD is equals to 4 square minus AB is equals to 5 divided by AD is equals to 4. Square of 3 is 9 divided by square of 4 is 16 minus square of 5 is 25 and square of 4 is 16. Let's take LCM. LCM is 16, so it's a 9 minus 25, which is equals to 25 minus 9 is 16. Since 25 is greater than 9 and sign of 25 is minus, so it's a minus 16 divided by 16. 16 and 16 will get cancelled, so it is equals to 1. That is, cotec square x minus cosec square x is equals to minus 1. Sub number 2, tan square y minus 1 by cosec square y. Tan turns permanently blank. That is perpendicular by base. So in a triangle ACD, the perpendicular is AD and base is CD. Minus 1 cos curly brown here, base by hypotenuse. Base is DC divided by hypotenuse is AC. So value of AD is 4 divided by value of BC or CD is equals to 8 root 2 whole square minus 1 divided by DC is equals to 8 root 2 divided by 12. So here 4 1s are 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12. So I'll get 1 divided by 2 root 2 whole square minus this 3 will go up, 3 into 1 is a 3, 2 root 2 whole square. Square of 1 is a 1, square of 2 root 2 is 8, square of 2 is a 4, and square of root 2 is 2. So 4 2 is 8, minus square of 3 is a 9, and as we know square of 2 root 2 is 8. Take an LCM. LCM is 8, so I'll get 1 minus 9. 1 minus 9 is equals to minus 8 divided by 8. 8 and 8 will get cancelled, which is equals to 1. Now next question, evaluate sin x and cos y from the following figure. From figure, given AC 13, AD is equals to 5, BD is equals to 16, angle ACD is x and angle B is equals to y. So in triangle ADC, H hypotenuse is equals to AC, which is equal to 13, perpendicular AD. Why perpendicular? Because AD is the opposite side of angle X. So AD perpendicular is equals to 5, and base CD, and base is equals to CD, which is unknown. So first I need to find the value of base by using a Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. H is the 13 square is equals to B is the 5 square plus CD square. Square of 13 is 169 is equals to square of 5 so 25 plus CD square. 169 when plus 25 goes this side is a minus 25 is equals to CD square. 169 minus 25 is equals to 144, which is equals to CD square. Therefore CD is equals to 12. That means we got the value CD is equals to 12. Sin x, we need to find sin x. So sin x is equals to, turns permanently black, P by B. P is AD, B is CD. That is sin x is equals to AD by CD. The value of AD is equals to 5 and CD is equals to 12. So sin x is equals to 5 by 12. Next, I need to find a value of cos y. For that, I'll consider a triangle BDC. Here, hypotenuse is BC, which is unknown. Perpendicular is CD, which is opposite to an angle Y, and base is equals to 16. So first, I need to find the value of hypotenuse. By using a Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse means BC square, which is equals to 12 square plus 16 square. Square of 12 is 144 plus square of 16 is 256. So BC square is equals to 144 plus 256 is 400. So BC is equals to 20. Now I need to find a value of cos y. Curly brown here. That means base by hypotenuse. Base is BD, hypotenuse is BC. BD is a 16 and BC is a 20. So after cancellation, tan x is equals to 4 by 5.